My name is Shima Amir and I'm a housewife. I have just completed my MS Office course from SSPE, that is Shamsi School of Professional Education, and I'm highly satisfied. This course basically has to be in a set of that has to be trained your students from the beginners level to the expert level. I never feel hesitate to say when I was started I was at the beginner level. But after completion of this course, I realized that SSPE has given me a full of skills and confidence. They made me IT professional. I never thought about I have made my CVs myself. I can make admission forms. I never feel like this that I can do all these work by my own self. But they basically given me a confidence that I have to be work very confidently. I'm very highly obliged to my mentors, Sir Ibad and Sir OS, who always ready to support their students. So at the end, I would like to say thanks SSPE, who has entirely changed my life. I would like to say special thanks because this institute has given me a necessary set of skills that would be very important in my career to pursue any challenges of my life. Thank you, SSPE.